Welcome back from our long weekend. So today's video is for Tuesday the 26th. I think that's the right date. So Memorial Day weekend. How was it? Was it fantastic? Mine, I hope, is going to be amazing because I'm recording this before it. So cross your fingers. Hope the rain stops. Anyway, so today we are going to do a little bit of dictation instead of blending. So remember, if you have sound spelling cards, you know, the picture that I had of them, we're going to do short and long I. And then we have a few worksheets, a journal entry, and math. We're going to start talking about tally marks. Okay, so starting right off the bat with dictation, remember long I says I, and you have lots of different spellings for it. Lots of different spellings. And then short I, the giggling pig says oh, giggle, I was doing Pam the Lamb, petting Pam. So your first word is, and remember how we do dictation, we fist up, we sound it out, then we clap, or no, we clap it out, then we sound it out, and then we write it out, okay? So your first word is fish. Clap it out, fish. How many? One. Sound it out. Fish. Fish. I want to catch a fish this weekend. Fish. Franny Fan says giggling pig says and oh no, what is our Shelly Shell says shh. Took me a minute. All right, if you guys were here, you would have been whipping me into shape. Fish. Okay, let me find my silly little pen. You ready to spell it to me? Fish. Go. F-I-S-H. Fish. All right. And our next word is click. Clap it out. Click. How many? One. Click. Sound it out. Click. I need to click my remote button. Hard time with a sentence. Click. Clicking camera. Licking lion. Oh, we should have put those two together. Those are blend, aren't they? Cool. Giggling pig says and another clicking camera. Now remember, only a few options for the beginning one, and I'll give you a hint. It's just the C by itself, but the ending one, I think you can figure it out. Okay, click. I'm going to click a button. All right, are you ready to spell it to me? Go. C-L-I-C-K. Click. What do those two words have in common? What do they have in common? What is the same about them? They both have a short I in the middle, don't they? Their vowel sound is a short I. All right, let's do the word cry. Clap it out. Cry. How many? One. Sound it out. I. Cry. I hope you don't cry on the last day of school. Cry. Did we sound it out? I. Cry. All right, so we have clicking camera and Rosie Robot together. Cur. And then long I says I. And there's a couple options for that one. I think you can figure it out though. I'm not going to give it to you. You guys are smarty pants. You can figure it out. Cry. Spell it to me. Ready? Go. C-R-Y. Cry. Very good. And then we have one more. And let's do the word bite. Clap it out. Bite. Sound it out. B-I-T. Bite. I'm going to take a big old bite of a sandwich. Bite. So we have a bouncing basketball. B-B-B. Long I says I. And ticking timer. T-T-T. Now, what do you hear in the middle of that? B-I-T. I hear a consonant. So what would our vowel be? I think there's a blank in there. All right, are you ready to spell it to me? Go. B-I-T-E. We have an I blank E, don't we? That E is bossing the I, making it say its name. All right, that is it for dictation, and that's our blending too, so we put it all together. So I want you guys to do this worksheet, page 177, 178 is your spelling practice worksheet. It's got all your spelling words right here. Some to do on the back, making rhymes, and then writing the correct spelling of them down here. So work on that worksheet. And then I want you to also do a journal entry. I want to know what you did this weekend for Memorial Day and how you celebrated Memorial Day, okay? And if you celebrated someone for Memorial Day, if you went to any places to place flowers on graves or anything like that, let me know. I want a journal entry of that, okay? And then I want you to copy your spelling words a couple of times too, since we don't have too much going on today for reading. So that is it for reading, and let's jump right over into math. And we are going to start talking about tally marks. Oh, it did save it. Good. All right. Tally marks. And we've worked on tally marks before, haven't we? We know that you do, let me move this over some more. We do a line for each thing that we want to represent. 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we get to 5, what do? You go across. So if I see that by itself, I know right off the bat, how many are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do I have now? 5, 10, right? Okay, so let's look over here. We're doing charts again, so we're just comparing things. Do more children like chicken or pizza better? So here's our chart. Oh, look, we have bold words that tell us what our chart is about, food we like, and the total down here. So if you have chicken, how many do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna write your 3 over there, right where they have it. All right, let's look down here at pizza. Oh, I know that is how many? 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So they have 8 pizzas. Each line is a tally mark. It stands for 1 child. 5 stands for 5 children. So more children like which one? Which one do more children like? Pizza. Pizza. Okay, so let's go down here to this bottom one. Complete the tally chart, boys and girls in our class, and then our totals over here. So let's go ahead and make our totals over here. So let's go to boys, and I see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna write 9 there. And then let's go to girls. I see another 5, 6. All right, let's read our questions. Ready, Freddies? Number 1, how many girls are in the class? Well, we already answered that, so I'm gonna go to girls. 6. Number 2, how many boys are in the class? Go to boys. 9. 3, how many children are in the class in all? Ooh, so the whole thing. So how many tally marks are there all together? Are we adding or subtracting? We're adding. So if you don't want to add 9 plus 6, if you don't know it right off the bat, go to your tally marks. Go to your tally marks and count them up. I see 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is 6 plus 9 15? All right, and number 4, are there more boys? Oh, they made a mistake. They didn't put a space there, silly people. Are there more boys or girls in the class? So are there more boys or are there more girls? Which one has the biggest number? There are more boys because 9 is bigger than 6, right? So are there more boys or more girls in the class? We're gonna write boys. Okay, there we go. And then let me get rid of this so we can turn our page. maybe. There we go. All right, so I want you to work on page 601 on your own. You guys can do 601 and 602 all by yourself, okay? That is your assignment. And then there are some on Prodigy as well. I will add some more of the tally marks to Prodigy. But you guys should feel fairly comfortable with tally marks since we worked with these quite a bit before. Okay, so do 601 and 602 all on your own. And then there's a little bit on Prodigy. And we'll work on that some more tomorrow. And that is it for this Tuesday lesson, all right? I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.